Name, AME, word family. Replacing the initial sound. Aim. We are going to put a C in front of that. Came. We are going to replace the C with an F. Fame. We are going to replace the F with an N. Name. We are going to replace the N with an S. Same. We are going to replace the S with a T. Tame. We are going to replace the T with a BL. Blame. We are going to replace the BL with an FL. Flame. We are going to replace the FL with an FR. Frame.